Hello everyone. So this is project 1 of CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So let's run our server. Okay, let's go with this link, and this link is over here. That's good. Let's search for wiki/html. Okay, this thing does exist. Now let's type my name, Namrata Sengar. Oops, yes, this thing doesn't exist, so this proper message is being popped up by the browser. Now let's go at our home page. You can see different pages, like all these pages which exist in our browser. So let's go at Django. Okay, that's right. Okay, now let's try to create some new page. Let's go for Harvard. Okay, #Harvard. I guess something like Harvard University. It's actually pretty enough. Let's submit this. So it's like over here. Okay, let's again try to create the same page. Okay, Harvard again. Let's try to submit this. Okay, so the error message is the file already exists, which the program works perfect. Now let's try to pop up some random pages. Harvard University, Python, Harvard University again. I don't know why it's again popping up. Okay, now we have something different like GitHub. Again Harvard. I guess this PC or this program likes Harvard very much, like CSS. Now let's try to search something new. Let's go for like Django. Let's search Django. Now Django is there. Yes, it's there. That's actually cool. So it's a framework present. Now let's type something ML. Okay, so the ML doesn't exist, but HTML exists because ML is some sort of like substring of HTML. So this is the HTML page, as you can see. Now we will try to edit this thing. Recent version. We will try to edit this link and let's see what we can write. In HTML. Again, I guess I will write HTML. Okay, the end of the page. Let's write that. And okay, now let's save this thing. So it's end. Yes, it worked. So the edit functionality is also working. We have done, I guess, all the functionalities we have checked. That's it, I guess. Thanks. Bye bye.